guys, I'm Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today I've got the Sweetwater label. This is the subscription, and what they do is every month you'll get, usually it's like 2 or 3 labels, but sometimes last month I think it was only 1, but it's all printed on the same size sheet, so it just depends on how many they can fit. All right. Oh, how cute. I love the colors on this. So we got 4 labels this time, and they all say, let's see, make life creative, make life sweet, make life beautiful, and make life shine. How adorable. These would be great for a really small project, maybe a table topper or table runner, or just a wall hanging. Very nice. I like to use the larger ones on the quilts themselves, like, very large sleeping type quilts or couch quilts, or just cuddle and love me quilts. All right, thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.